Stay Gurubiyo Namaga children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Today we are going to see 9th standard state board maths chapter 3 exercise 3.12. Okay, so the continuations we are going to see. Solve by the method of eliminations. Okay, in that sixth question we are going to see 13x plus 11y equal to 70, 11x plus 13y equal to 74. Okay, so let us consider 13x plus 11y equal to 70, the first equation. 11x plus 13y equal to 74, so second equation. See this equation, see here 13x, 13y, 11y, 11x. Okay, so in this type what you have to do? While adding the equation first, next while subtracting the equations. First we need to add the equation, next we need to subtract the equations, after that we are going to solve the equations. Okay, first I am going to add this equation. Okay, so 1 plus 2. 13x plus 11x, what you will get children? 24. So 24x plus 11y plus 13y, what you will get children? 24y equal to 70 plus 74, 144. Okay, see here 24x plus 24y equal to 144. Okay, here this is the multiples of 24 only. Okay, so that what I am going to do? I am going to divide by 24. Okay, so divide by 24 plus, so 24 by 24, what you will get children? 1. So here 1 into x, x plus, here also 24 will cancel. So x plus y equal to 144 divided by 24. 144 divided by 24. How many times it occurs children? 24 ones are 24. 24 6 are 144. Okay, so 6 times. X plus y equal to 6. This is third equation. Okay children. Next I am going to subtract this equation. So 1 minus 2. Write the first equation. 13x plus 11y equal to 70. Second equation, 11x plus 13y equal to 74. So what I am going to do children? I am going to subtract. Okay. So if I want to subtract, I have to change the sign of the equations. Okay, so here positive is there, positive becomes negative, negative, here also negative. So what I am going to do? I am going to subtract. Okay, so 13 minus 11, what you will get children? 2. So here x is the 2x. Here plus 11 minus 13. So minus 2, here what variable is that? Y. So minus 2y equal to 70 minus 74. So you will get minus 4. Now see here, this is the multiples of 2. So I am going to divide with 2. Okay. So divide by 2. So what you will get? 2x by 2 you will get x minus y equal to 2 2s are 4. So here minus is that minus 2. Okay. This is fourth equation. Now I am going to solve the third and fourth equations. Okay. Now see the coefficient here. X coefficient is 1. Here also 1. Okay. Then y coefficient also 1. Here also 1. But see here we have different sign in the y coefficient. Okay. So I am going to add equation 3 and 4. Okay. Write the third equation here. The third equation implies x plus y equal to 6. Fourth equation implies x minus y equal to minus 2. What I am going to do, children? I am going to add. Okay. So 3 plus 4 implies here x plus x, what you will get? 2x plus y minus y cancel, plus 6 minus 2. What you will get, children? Plus 4. Okay. So 2x equal to 4. Okay. So 2x equal to 4. X equal to 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So x equal to 2. Next we are going to find the y value. Okay. So substitute x equal to 2 in equation 3. Okay. So x plus y equal to 6 is the third equation. Here x value 2. 2 plus y equal to 6. Y equal to 6. The plus 2 will change minus 2. So y equal to 6 minus 2. What you will get, children? 4. Okay. So the value of y is 4. The value of x is 2. Okay. So the solution is, x equal to 2, y equal to 4. Is it clear, children? The next question is, the monthly income of A and B are in the ratio 3:4 and their monthly expenditures are in the ratio 5:7. If each saves rupees 5,000 per month, okay, so find the monthly income of each. Here two persons are there, A and B. Their monthly income as well as the expenditure given in the ratio. Okay, the income in the ratio 3:4, expenditures 5:7, and they are saving per month 5,000 only. Okay, so we need to find out the monthly income of each person. Okay, each person means here A and B we need to find out. Okay, children, see here the ratio is given. Okay, so let us consider, let the monthly income of A and B be 3:4. So let us consider 3x and 4x, because this value we are going to find. Okay, 3x and 4x. Then let the monthly expenditures of A and B be 5:7 ratio is given. So you consider 5x and 7x. Okay. So according to the condition, so if each saves 5,000 per month, okay, so monthly income of A is 3x and monthly expenditure of A is, so the monthly expenditure of A is 5y. Sorry children, here y. We have to take another variable. Okay, this is 5y, 7y, because income we take it as 3x, 4x. So expenditure you consider 5y and 7y. Okay. So monthly expenditure of A is 5y. Okay. So minus 5y equal to rupees 5,000. This is income minus expenditure equal to saving is given. Okay, 5,000. So 3x minus 5y equal to 5,000. This is equation 1. Next, the monthly income of B is 4x minus monthly expenditure of B is 7y. 4x minus 7y equal to rupees 5,000 because each of them saving 5,000 only. Okay. So 5,000. So these two equations now we are going to solve. Okay. See the coefficient here 3, 4. Coefficients are differ. First we need to convert as same. Okay. So first equations I am going to multiply with 4. Okay. 4 3s are 12x minus 4 into 5y 20y equal to 4 into 5,000 20,000. So rupees 20,000. And second equations I am going to multiply with 3. So 3 4s are 12x minus 3 into 7y 21y equal to 3 into 5,000 15,000. Okay. See here coefficient are same but sign are also same. Okay. So I am going to subtract this. Okay. So first equation minus second. The second equation sign you want to change. Okay. So minus, negative become positive, here minus. Because we are subtracting, so that I am changing the sign of the second equation. Okay children. So 12x minus 12x. So you cancel this. Minus 20 plus 21. What you will get children? Minus 20 plus 21, 1. Okay. So 1y. 1 into y, y1. Directly you write y. Equal to 20,000 minus 15,000. What you will get? 5,000. Rupees 5,000. Okay. Next we are going to find the x value. Okay. Substitute y equal to rupees 5,000 in equation 1. Okay. So 3x minus 5y equal to 5,000. In this I am going to substitute. So 3x minus 5 into the value of y is 5,000. 5,000 equal to rupees 5,000. 3x minus 5 into 5, 25. So 5 into 5,000 you will get 25,000. 25,000 equal to rupees 5,000. Okay. So 3x equal to rupees 5,000. Subtractions will change other side, addition. Okay. So plus 25,000. So when we add this, what you will get children? 5,000 plus 25,000 will get 30,000. Okay. So 3x equal to 30,000. So we are going to find the x value. So x equal to 30,000 divided by 3. Okay. So 3 ones are 3. 3 into 10,000 you will get 30,000. So x equal to 10,000. Okay. Next we need to find out the monthly income of A and B. So x equal to 10,000. The monthly income of A is 3x. Okay. So we need to find out the value. 3 into, what is the value of x? 10,000. So 3 into 10,000, what you will get children? 30,000. Rupees 30,000. So the monthly income of A is 30,000 rupees. 30,000. Okay children. And next Monthly income of B we need to find it. Okay. So the monthly income of B is 4x. Okay. So 4 into 10,000. So what you will get, children? 40,000. So the monthly income of A and B is 30,000 rupees, 30,000 and rupees 40,000. Is it clear, children? See the next one. 5 years ago, a man was 7 times as old as his son. While 5 years hence, the man will be 4 times. How many times? 4 times as old as his son. So find their present age. Okay, this is very important sum. Listen carefully, children. Okay, let the man's present age be X years. Let his son age be Y years. Okay. So, what is the first condition? 5 years ago, before 5 years. For example, your age is now 10. Before 5 years, what is the age, children? How can you say this? 10 minus 5, we will say 5 years. So, what you did? Subtract. So, before if they ask means we need to subtract. Okay. So, according to the condition, first one, 5 years ago. 5 years ago. A man was. So the age is X. Man present age is X. So 5 years ago means subtract. So X minus 5 equal to a man was 7 times as old as his son. Okay. 7 times. So 7 into his son age. Son age is 1. So Y minus 5. Okay. Now X minus 5 equal to multiply this 7 into y and 7 into minus 5. So 7 into y you will get 7y. 7 into minus 5 you get minus 35. Okay. Now you bring it variables in one side, constant is another side. So x plus 7y will change, minus 7y equal to minus 35. Minus 5 will change, plus 5. So x minus 7y equal to minus 30. This is first equation. Okay. The second condition, 5 year hence. Hence means after the 5 year. Okay. 5 year hence. Okay. So what you will get, children? The man will be. So the man present age is X. So X plus 5 equal to 4 times as old as his son. So 4 into Y plus 5. Okay. Now simplify this. 4 into Y, 4 into 5. So X plus 5 equal to 4 into Y, 4Y plus 4 5s are 20. Okay. Now bring it the variables in one side. X minus 4y equal to 20. The plus 5 will change, minus 5. So x minus 4y equal to 20 minus 5. What you will get, children? 15. Okay. This is second equation. The first equation is x minus 7y equal to minus 30. The second equation is x minus 4y equal to 15. Now I am going to solve this. Okay. See here coefficient are same. Okay. So I am going to subtract this. First equation minus second equations. If you want to subtract, what you want to do, children? We need to change the sign of the second equations. Okay. So here minus plus minus. Okay. So plus x minus x cancel. Minus 7y plus 4y. What you will get, children? Minus 7 plus 4 minus 3y equal to minus 30 minus 15. Both the number have same sign. So you add it. Minus 45. Okay. So minus minus cancel. Y equal to 45 by 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 into 15 you will get 45. So y equal to 15. Next we need to find out the x value. Substitute y equal to 15 in equation 2. Okay. So what is the equation 2, children? X minus 4y equal to 15. So x minus 4 into the value of y is 15 equal to 15. Okay. So x minus 4 into 15, what you will get, children? 60 equal to 15. So x equal to 15. The minus 60 will change other side, plus 60. So x equal to 75. 15 plus 60, what you will get? 75. Okay. So therefore, the man's age is, so x is represent the man's age. Okay. The man's age is 75 years and his son age is, what is the y value? 15 years. I hope it is clear. Okay, children? To receive our online lessons, please press subscribe button and you will receive our latest updates. Thank you, children.